SPY and QQQs gave us plenty to study, from warning signals on daily charts to actionable pivot plays on the 60-minute timeframes. We'll break down what just happened, and more importantly, what to watch next week. I'm going to make this real simple. Stay long above 597 and flip to puts only if price can't hold. 593 of $50. This breaks below the 20-day EMA and prior demand zone. And the bears that have been getting taken out to the woodshed for the last 5 weeks will come out in full force. If we see price lose that level, the deal is bears will come out in full force. If that breaks, we'll load up on 590 or 592 puts. If it doesn't hold, 593.50. Should we lose 593.50, the next support sits at 589.50, followed by a larger, juicy gap fill into 586 that the bears will be all over if momentum picks up. Thing of it is this. If bulls defend 597, watch for upside retests of 601.90 and 604.93. That's where the breakout faltered midweek. If you're finding value in these breakdowns, remember to like and subscribe. It helps the channel reach more traders like you. Let's start from the top down on SPY. Price finished the week at 597 after bouncing from a Friday morning low near 595.48. This pullback followed a rejection earlier in the week from 606, which aligned with a retest of the upper channel boundary. We're now sitting just above the 20-day moving average at 593.35. Technically speaking, the uptrend remains intact, as long as SPY can continue to close above 593, but momentum is weakening. The MACD has begun to curl downward, and we saw 2 consecutive daily closes with upper wicks, suggesting supply overhead. Friday's candle tested key volume profile support and closed just above it. So let's take a look from the top down on the QQQs. Price closed at 526.96 after a fade from highs of 531.87. We're seeing early signs of a rising wedge breakdown on the daily, with MACD bear crossing and RSI rolling over from overbought levels. We need to be cautious here. Friday's candle tested the prior demand zone near $526 and held, but only just barely. A loss of this level could wake the bears up from getting their asses kicked for the last few weeks, and increases the odds of 519.50 as the next downside magnet. Bulls want to stay long above 526 and only flip to puts below 524.80. 530 calls above 526 could target 530.40 and 530.33. If the desperate bears flush this, they'll be aiming for below 524.80. Seeing how bad they've been getting their ass kicked lately, they may try for 519.50 or even 515.70. So all of us bulls should remain long, as long as SPY holds above 597. But if price breaks and holds below 593.50, that's your signal to flip short and look for 525 puts. Same goes for QQQs, holding above 526, and bulls are in control. Lose 524.80 and the beaten down bears take the wheel. It's clear that momentum has stalled in both SPY and QQQs. Whether this turns into a deeper pullback or just a shakeout will depend on how we behave around these key levels Monday morning. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts or trade plans in the comments, and I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell. We've got more breakdowns, live setups, and earnings trades coming your way.